Hi friends, it just turned midnight on my birthday, so I thought I should do a review. Hey, look at that, it's gorgeous. It's kind of hard to smell. I only smell it more when I take it out. Look at that, so glossy. I love this color. Maybe it's a jelly? I'm not sure. Might be a jelly or like a gummy TNG. I don't know. Cute. I can't really smell anything. Maybe it's me because I couldn't really smell anything on my Mythical Mush Bunny slime earlier today either. Oh, this is gorgeous. It almost looks green, like a gray-green color. This is perfect. Feels just like Milk Alternative. Thick and heavy, strong resistance. Really chewy. I give my pull and pops a little bit. Still haven't got it. It's so thick. If you haven't had a thick and glossy from Soft Punk, put it on your list because there's nothing else like it out there. I mean, Soft Punk, all of their textures are incredibly unique and amazing, but their thick and glossy is just my absolute favorite. Gives new meaning to the word thick. It's just incredible. If you've gotten to this point in the video, I am really grateful to you for watching the whole thing. And if you're here, leave a little balloon in the comments. Bye, friends.